In this video, we will see the gate valve and the glow valve side by side. We will have a look on them, we will compare them, and we will see the differences between them. So let's begin. First, we will see the gate valve, and this right here is the gate valve. So I will try my best to rotate it and show all the parts of the gate valve to you. We have a handle and a stem here. So this right here is the handle and this is the stem. When we close the gate valve, it comes up. Okay, so this is the handle and this is the stem. Gate valves come with these two flanges. This is one side of the flange and this is the second flange. And here we insert the bolts in order to connect the pipes or different fittings with it. And this is the main part of the gate valve. This right here, this one is the gate. This right here is the gate, and this goes up and down in order to open and close the gate valve. Now let me show you the valve in different orientation so that you can have a good look on it. Now moving on to the globe valve. This right here is the globe valve. I will show you the mechanism how it works. First have a look on it, and now let me hide this body to show you the disc and how it works. So this right here is the disc. When we rotate this wheel of the valve, it goes up and down. So let me rotate the wheel, and here you can see it goes up and down. More rotation, and here you can see there is a gap, and from this gap the liquid or fluid will go through the valve. And now let me close it. Now I am closing the valve by rotating it in clockwise direction, and now it's closed. So that's how it works. Now let me show you the body of the glow valve again, and this right here is the gland of the glow valve. So let me show you this gland real quick. This is the gland and this is used to prevent the leakage from the glow valve. By default, the glow valve comes with these two flanges. All right, so by using these flanges we use to connect the pipes, and this is the body of the globe valve. This look like globe, that's why we call this valve as globe valve. As you guys have a good look on gate valve and globe valve, now let's see the differences side by side. First we will see the difference in terms of design or in terms of mechanism. Gate valve have a sliding gate mechanism. The gate will go up for opening and will go down for closing. But globe valve do not have any gate. It has a movable disc. Yes, it go up and down, but it has different mechanism than gate valve. Next difference is pressure drop. So which valve have more pressure drop than the other one? So gate valve has a less pressure drop due to its sliding gate design, but the globe valve have high pressure drop due to its design. This is a negative point for any valve, that it drops some of the pressure of the system due to its design. Third difference is in terms of application where these valves are used. Gate valves are used on low pressure drop lines, and globe valves are used where change in pressure is required. Change in pressure means to regulate the pressure. Moving on to our fourth difference, that is our flow direction. So when we used to install the gate valve, there is no problem. It can be installed in any direction. But when we used to install the glow valve, we have to look the direction of the flow of the fluid and then we will install it. So we have to be very careful when we will install the glow valve on any pipeline, because we have to match the direction of the glow valve and the fluid direction in the pipeline. Next difference is in terms of structure. Gate valve has a simple structure, but glow valve has a complex structure. Next difference is in terms of control. Gate valve is mostly used for opening and closing purposes. There is no use for the regulating purposes for the gate valve. But in glow valve can be used for regulating flow rates. Regulating means if I have 100% of flow and I want to reduce the flow to some extent, like 50%, 30%, 20%, I can do it with the glow valve. glow valve is best suited for the regulating purposes. Next difference is in terms of price. For the same size, like if I buy 4-inch gate valve and 4-inch glow valve, then gate valve will be much more cheaper and the glow valve will be much more expensive. Moving on to our next difference, that is regulation. Gate valve is not suitable for regulation. If we do regulation with the gate valve, the pipeline will have some vibrations in it and noises in it. So we don't do regulating things with the gate valve. But glow valve is the best suited for the regulation purposes. So these are the major differences between the gate valve and the glow valve. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.